friends, welcome to appreview.com. Today we are going to review about the app Opera Max Data Saving app. Opera Max Data Saving is designed to carry out two functions to save data usage. Manage the data usage by various apps, compress the data and deliver through Opera Max Cloud Server. On homepage, details of the data saved by Opera Max is displayed. Details displayed including data used, data saving, statistics can be viewed for a day or month or app lifetime. In the day page, in addition to the data details, the number of apps using the data and time of app installation are displayed. In the month page, statistics on data usage during the calendar month and the list of apps can be sorted on the basis of total usage, background usage, foreground usage, savings, name, that is A to Z, and displays only the apps used for data or all apps. This is very useful to view app usage details including foreground, background usage and decided to block the app from the data usage or not. In the all time page, we can share the app using communication apps and we can also rate the app. From the menu available at the top left, opt to connect the Opera Max Cloud Server or access mobile data usage, Wi-Fi usage, app management, share and settings page, etc. In mobile or Wi-Fi usage option, it can display the details of the home page. Next to the option of the mobile usage, Wi-Fi usage, options to connect to the cloud server is available for a specific mode of data use. This helps us to enable the data compression either for mobile data or Wi-Fi data or both using the cloud server. Coming to the next option, that is app management. In app management, by default, no apps are blocked from the data usage. In app management, 4 sections are available, that is savings, that is to disable the data savings, background, that is to block the background data usage, mobile access, that is to block the mobile data use, and Wi-Fi access, that is to block the Wi-Fi data use. In saving sections, sort the apps based on the savings or name. In background section, sort the apps based on the background usage or name. In mobile access, Wi-Fi access, sort the apps based on total usage, background usage, foreground usage or name. In any section, tap on the name of the app to move the app to right side and disable the data savings or block the app data usage. From options menu, use block all or unblock all apps to set the desired functions to all apps. Coming to the next option, that is share. In share option, using this we can share the apps, that is including screenshot using communication apps. Settings. In settings options, enable or disable the monthly data usage and savings notification, background data alerts. In savings, by default mobile savings or Wi-Fi savings are set to high savings for image, video, music. If desired, modify the settings to off or low or medium or high. In privacy, we can enable or disable to send usage reports to the developer. In help, we can access the introduction, FAQs, report a problem to the developer. Opera Max Cloud Server. To compress the data, Opera Max Data Savings use its cloud server as internet service provider in the place of telecom, that is mobile, or internet service provider, that is Wi-Fi. In normal circumstances, on request for the data by the user, that is web page or information through app, mobile plays the request to the telecom or internet service provider and telecom or internet service provider procure the data from the internet and forward it to the user. In Opera Max, telecom and internet service provider place the request to the Opera Max Cloud Server through telecom or internet service provider. Opera Max Cloud Server procure the requested data and compress it and forwarded it to the user. Accordingly, the Opera Max notifies about the intersection of Opera Max in network traffic while enabling the Opera Max cloud server. The advantage: compress the data on cloud server. This reduces the data consumption. The disadvantages is that the log on web pages, apps of user, mobile number, details of service provider may be noted on Opera Max cloud server and used for several other purposes including data selling. Overall, in our opinion, Opera Max data savings is very useful to block the apps using data in background, and it can also helps to identify high data usage apps and decided it to continue or not. Use of Opera Max cloud server may reduce the data usage, but the log on data activities are noted. Hence, you may decide at keeping the privacy in view. We recommended it to use this app to manage the data and while recommended to use cloud server. We hope this review is helpful for you. For more app reviews, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.